Imagine you have a report that when printed should look different. We have some sensitive information for management. We have social security number and salary information that we want to remove from this report layout when printing. So if I click on this quick print button, you can see that the report immediately changed its layout and removed all that sensitive information. I'm going to send this report to a PDF using a PDF printer. And you can see that indeed the PDF content shows the print-only content and the report reverted to its original layout. Again, if I hit Ctrl+P to print the report, you can see that it immediately changed its layout. I'm going to stay with the PDF printer and just print the report. I'll send it to the same name, overwrite it, and you can see that the PDF indeed shows the print-only content while the report itself reverted to its original layout. So how do you design the Crystal report to accommodate this? Here's the Crystal report in Crystal Reports Designer. I have the formula for print mode, and you can see that it simply shows preview. When the report gets printed inside DataLink Viewer, that formula content gets changed to print. And based on that formula, I control various options, such as suppressing the social security number. So if I go in here and go to the format field for the salary information, you can see that there's a suppress expression that controls the visibility of the salary. And if the print mode is not preview, in other words, when it's print, then it gets suppressed. And in a similar way, you can change the group selection, so you can remove all the managers from the report based on the value in that formula, and you can control any other aspects of the report.